3D print the shield of faith. This is a 7-piece light. Let's walk through it. This is the first build plate, translucent. Those are warm cob lights. And I just put them, I super glue those on. You can see these cob lights I buy on Amazon. This piece is made out of PETG, and you can see it's translucent. Very, 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 very good material. This does not glue to regular PLA. Here it is with the lights on it. So here's the walls. This is the next piece. This is going to get put right on top of the transparent base. So we're going to get that glued into there. But if you look, it's very thick, about 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters thick. Just going to apply some glue here and all the way around that surface. You see that lip in there? That's where all my pieces are going to go, and that's all measured out. There it is. So the next up is my diffuser plate, which is gold silk layer and white mixed with transparent PLA. It's a very glistening look. It's almost it's a great flavor with the light on or off, if you ask me. And you can see the back here is a transparent PLA, and I'm just going to lay that in here and glue that together. But just look at the sheen. Look at that. That is just awesome, phenomenal stuff. This is the cross. It's another diffuser plate. You can see the lower layer is transparent. The upper layer is white. And that's just to diffuse to see any of the solid. We don't want no solid coming through. No solid light. So that's going to glue right in the back of this middle plate. But here it is just to show you, yeah, it's a little heavy in the middle. And I want it that way. Well, here we go. Now we're going to glue that guy into there. This is the middle plate. And this guy is 5 millimeters thick. Just going to glue every line on there. This came out perfect with ironing. You can see it's just perfect. Really, really good with the outcome. This is probably the third plate, the third rev. I should keep all my scrap just to show you. It was probably half of a garbage pile of PLA. We're going to glue that on there just like that. And then we're going to work on the top, and that's just going to fit right over that. But the top is very thin, maybe 3 millimeters. I had some problems with that too, but that just glues right on the top there. I did have some problems ironing that. I might take it. There's the base. There's the base. Very awesome base. It clips in. It's a clip-in base. The back, yeah, that is not large enough for the USB. I measured in the USB switch, but here's the base with the light. And here it is. We're going to turn the power on. There we go. We got some power. And here, we're going to show you what it looks like with the other lion. Here you go. Oh, this is light 2 of 5.